Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to be doing like a try on video for a trunk club that I got recently. And I just wanted to show you all of the pieces that I got. This time, the box was a little bit different. I actually normally don't request any shoes. And I didn't request any shoes this time, but I got some, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I did try the shoes on with the outfits to show you guys what those look like paired together. But before we get started, I wanted to ask if any of you out there are wanting to help support my YouTube channel, please subscribe and also like this video if you like try on hauls or trunk club videos. So basically how this video will work is I am planning on doing a voiceover, so I will try everything on, and really it's because I have to put the camera so far back so you can see the entire outfit. The microphone is just not going to pick up my voice, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to leave the brands and like the item number and price up on the screen so you can see that, and then I can spend more time talking about what I thought about the different pieces. This is about the fourth trunk club box that I've received so far. I did film the first two that I got, but the third box that I received just wasn't really working out when I was working on editing it the way that I had wanted to, so I kind of skipped on that. Honestly, I didn't really feel like that box was too interesting, but as a lot of you guys probably already know, and if you've watched some of my other videos, I do pretty honest reviews, so I just wanted to give you a heads up about that. I will basically be sharing my initial thoughts when I tried on these items, so not everything I say may be glowing, wonderful, and nice. You know, I do try to keep everything as PC as possible, but I will tell you when I don't like something. So I know some people out there didn't really appreciate that in some of my previous videos, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up in case any of you were looking into these pieces online and didn't quite know how they were going to work out. I know that sometimes it's hard to tell just based on the reviews people are typing online, so that's the reason why I decide to go through the process in kind of, you know, detailing those things out for you guys and letting you know my thoughts on a review. That is long enough of an intro, so I am going to get right into the video. So going into this first look, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was surprised how much I like this chambray shirt. It's actually super soft and comfortable. And normally when I wear long sleeve button-up shirts like this, I usually fold the sleeves up. So that's what I'm doing here. Previously, I had another shirt that was similar to this that I didn't really like so much. And so I was totally okay with getting this shirt with my trunk. So I'm going to tuck this shirt in because I thought it would look a little bit more presentable. But overall, yeah, I really liked this shirt. I'm gonna keep this one for sure. I think it looked great. My favorite color is blue. I mean, super soft and comfy. I definitely thought it was wearable. So I tried on the shirt with this pair of black slacks, and I thought these slacks were super comfortable as well. The only thing though is that they ran a little big, so they're actually pretty loose on me, like really loose and baggy through the leg, and that's not really what I was looking for here. But I tried them on anyway. I felt like it looked good with the shirt. The size that I got is the smallest size that these pants come in, so unfortunately I can't size down anymore. So I think I'm gonna have to give these up, and I usually like a little bit of a skinnier leg. The shoes, like I mentioned, I didn't request any shoes, but I got some in my order. This is what they look like. Not quite my style, I don't really wear mules, but these are pretty comfortable. The heel height was good. I like that the heel's kind of like a block heel, so you could probably wear these all day. But yeah, just kind of not my style. The style and color, I guess, not really my preference. So next up, I just changed the shirt here. I really like this color, but even in this extra small petite, the shirt was actually pretty loose on me. I think, you know, in the video it looks like it fits okay, but the way that it felt on my body was really big, and actually the V-neck area went pretty low for my liking. I feel like this is more of like an office appropriate shirt, but the deep V was maybe less office appropriate. These shoes by Tom's, I thought they were super comfortable. I usually go down a half size when I have open toe sandals like this, but definitely wearable all day. I think these are just not quite my style. Like I would have liked them in like an all black or some kind of brown, like a medium brown tone color. didn't really like this color. I mean, I think it's okay. It's just not something that I would necessarily add to my shoe collection. Next up, we have this blazer, which I was actually pretty excited to get a linen blend blazer. I wanted to see how that went because I have a couple of other blazers that I'm not super duper happy with. And particularly this one, I like the length and the style and the pocket inside. I think that's really cool. The other blazers I have are a little bit shorter in length, and I'm looking for more of a androgynous kind of masculine style of blazer, I guess I feel is kind of more my taste. But the color of the blazer for me is just a little bit lighter than I normally would wear. I think I get a little bit particular when it comes to light kind of beigey colors like this one. So it didn't necessarily work out for me. The sleeves are also a little bit long as well. Not so much to say here. This is just a plain white rib tank from Alo Yoga. To be honest, I wasn't a super huge fan of this tank. It does have one of those built-in bra things that I really actually don't like. But I also didn't like the rib fabric. I also prefer my athletic gear to be a little bit looser fitting when it comes to tank tops and shirts. This jumpsuit was a huge miss for me. I'm sorry. I felt super uncomfortable wearing it on camera. It went super duper low up top and everything else fit really, really tight. The material is also very, very thin and was a little bit sheer. I was scared to actually put this on in front of the camera, so we're just going to move on to the next one. So this dress, I actually really, really like. It was super comfortable. I like the way the fabric moved. You could cinch it in the waist right here like how I'm doing. The only downfall here was that I have a dress that looks so much like this one. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen quite a few pictures of me in that dress that I've posted more recently. But I thought this dress was super cute, thin material, lightweight, breezy. The wrist was kind of interesting. It did have an elastic that just went around the end of the wrist, kind of around where my watch is. And so I tried to figure out if I could loosen that up or roll my sleeves up, which I could. I thought that this would be another great way to wear this dress. Again, I totally wanted to keep it, but it looks too much like something I already have. So unfortunately, I will be sending it back, but good job for putting this in my trunk because I liked it. Just a simple pack of white masks here. I've been picking up a bunch of masks recently, so I'm gonna return this one as well. A thought that I had about this whole trunk club experience, I just don't know if maybe for myself personally, I'm a little bit too picky in what exactly I'm looking for, and at the time in which these boxes are being put together for me, there just isn't anything that is like my style or something that I'm looking for in particular. So I think that may be a reason why a lot of the times I end up returning most of what I got in the box. I'm not sure if that's just me, but if you guys have tried Trunk Club and that happens to you as well, let me know down in the comments below. I don't know, I guess I personally just feel like it's hit or miss. Chris has also tried Trunk Club, like he's gotten a box, and I felt like his was more successful than mine, but he was also just kind of going in with like, we'll just see what I get. So, you know, whereas I like a certain color and pattern and look and fit and all that kind of stuff. So maybe that's the reason why I end up sending a bunch of stuff back, but just my 2 cents on that. I also have a Trunk Club referral link that I'll leave down in the description box below. Then I think that's really cool that you get some credit and you can, you know, do some future shopping on there. But this video is not sponsored at all. I just wanted to throw that out there that I do have this referral link, and anyone who signs up for a Trunk Club would have access to their own link as well to share with their friends. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you notice, I'm trying like a new background setup. So let me know how you like that. I clearly need something like right here. There's like an empty gap, and I'm planning on putting stuff on the wall right here as well. So hopefully you guys like this new background setup. You will be seeing it more in the future. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.